Hey, good morning. This is John Poltrock with the Poltrock Team at RE/MAX in Murphy, North Carolina, Murphy's #1 real estate team. And I am here with you for our online open house of Panico Trail. This is one of the best homes that I know on the market right now, and it's under $150,000, so it's extremely affordable. As always with our online open houses, this video is not edited. It's exactly as you would see it if you were here in person. So I want you to be able to see it from the comfort of your couch because it is a very brisk day today in Murphy, so this way you can view it completely warm. If this is a house you like or are interested in and want to see it, please give our team a call at 1-866-MURPHY-NC, and that's 1-866-MURPHY-NC, and we'll be happy to take care of you so you can see it and help you buy this house because it is awesome. Just wait to see what's here for you. So check it out. I am standing at the bottom of the driveway, and one of the things that we get a lot is that people want privacy, and that is exceptionally hard to find in an area with paved roads because a lot of times houses are on top of each other. I'm at the bottom of the drive, and literally, you don't see a house, not anywhere. It is perfectly private. As you can see just straight ahead, the road ends right there. There's nobody, nothing but woods around us, so you get the ultimate privacy without having an oversized piece of property to be on. Now, the way this property is set up is you pull into the driveway, and it actually has two driveways. I am at the one leading to the studio, which is a garage that was converted to a studio, and the second driveway is straight ahead and pulls onto the other side of the house. In fact, you can see my white truck in the distance. So we'll start with the studio since it's right here. They do have an outside window air conditioner unit here. You've got more parking, a nice big gravel space here beside it. And this was a one-car garage that was converted. My understanding is the owners have the garage door in the crawl space, so if you wanted to convert it back to a garage, it would just be a matter of taking out the doors and reinstalling the door. Now, they did use this as a studio and storage area, so there's got a lot of stuff in here, but it is awesome. You could use it for maybe even convert it to an apartment or use it for storage, do hobbies, arts, crafts, you name it. It's all drywalled. It's got carpet on the floor. And as you can see, it's got the paved driveway leading right to it. And now we'll go inside the home. Now I'm going to go past this, but here's the steps leading inside. Since it's cold in winter, this is winterized, but it does have a really neat water feature right here that will flow during the springtime. And it's a waterfall, a man-made waterfall, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's covered in leaves right now, but during the springtime you can uncover it and it will be gorgeous. Now, as I mentioned, it has two driveways. This is the second parking area. It's huge. You could easily, if you wanted to, park 6 or 8 cars here with no problem whatsoever. What's nice is they've done a lot of detail work. The stone is done on the crawl space area. Here's your front yard. And there's that second paved driveway coming in. Now, I've not opened this door yet, but I want you to see this covered porch here. It does have French doors leading out. All right, let's check out the inside. This home has a nice open floor plan concept. It's got a wood burning stove, your kitchen, nice little pantry off to the right. It does have central heat and air, and what I love is the vaulted wood ceiling. Here's a closer look at your wood stove. And we'll start with the master bedroom. It's a nice size. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here, nightstands, and have plenty of room left over. There's your closet. Your master bathroom. Commode. Shower tub. You'll notice the pink stuff in the drain. The home has been winterized, and that is just antifreeze to make sure it's protected through the cold weather. Now, one thing I like is that this is set up, a lot of times folks don't like that guests have to stay in a room where they have to go through an open area to get to the bathroom. But this floor plan is set up so it does have a pass-through bathroom. So you've got your shower, vanity and commode. Your washer and dryer are inside of this bathroom right here, full hookups. And you can step right in to the second bedroom. That way guests, if they're here taking a shower or anything, they do not have to go through the main living area to get to a bathroom. They have their own access. It's got brand new carpeting. It is a really great space. That's got it. This is Panico Trail, priced at only $149,800, which is an exceptional price on this home because it is an estate sale. So if you're interested in it, please give us a call at 1-866-MURPHY-NC, and my team and I are always here to help you. And I hope you like my toboggan. This was a Christmas present that I thought was pretty awesome, so thought I'd wear it for our video. Hope you have a wonderful day. We thank you for choosing the Poltrock Team, Murphy's #1 real estate team. Feel free to email us or call us or visit us online at ilovemurphy.com. Take care.